Hello and welcome to Lori's Learning Journey. Today we have a silly but important question to ask. How do I get rid of hiccups? So here's what I do. Glass of water. If you have the hiccups, what you want to do is take 5 tiny sips all in a row, hold your breath, and do it again. I will demonstrate. Okay, so now I have the hiccups. Oh no. Okay. Hold your breath. Do it again. Ta-da! I have never had that not get rid of hiccups. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries. Try this at home. Let me know how it works. Have a great day. Thanks for listening.